Greetings, church. This is Mike Gravois, and one of the roles I have here is working with the education ministry, and that's always been a blessing to me. I want to tell you about some of the things we're going to do in January and February of 2016. We want to start a series of short classes that focus on spiritual formation and developing our relationship and strengthening our walk with God. In Room 101, Preston Cox will be teaching a class called Praise Habit, worshiping God day to day. And that's just going to be an amazing time of celebrating our worship experience with God. And we would love to see you in there. In Room 102, we have a Bible study that focuses on our single adults. And Don Davis will teach a class called And the Greatest of These is Love. Right out of 1 Corinthians, they will spend 9 weeks talking about the love God has for us and where we fit into that picture. In Room 103, we will have a class entitled The Most Precious Occupation of Your Life. And Daniel Orozco and Mark Worth will teach us a class on prayer, our relationship with God and conversations with God, and how those can be improved and how they can be deepened and how that can impact our faith relationship with God. In Room 213, we traditionally have a class based upon historical topics, and in there, Jimmy Sheffield will be teaching Remembrance and Celebration, and they will walk through the 7 Hebrew feast days and look at each of those different feasts that God established for us and how He called us into celebration, remembrance, and a relationship with Him through each of those feast days with His nation of Israel. And then finally, in portable classroom number 2, I will be teaching a class called Bible 101, an overview of the Bible. And we are offering this class to new believers, to seekers, or to anyone who just wants to brush up on their knowledge of Scripture, how it is formatted, how it's laid out, and God's message for us from creation through the resolution we find in Revelation. We will have a special class on Wednesday evenings in which we will walk through the Beatitudes. And we have asked some leaders from other faith groups in this community to join us in a way to help us develop our communion with one another and our celebration of God. And so I hope you'll plan to join us on Wednesdays as well as we look at the Beatitudes. I hope we see you here. Thank you very much.